everybody, and welcome to an edition of the Crown Lounge. And today we're going to make a traditional whiskey sour. By traditional, I mean we're going to use egg whites. So, which I've never done before. But I eat sushi and steak tartare and everything else raw. Why not just say, whatever, just try it with egg whites, right? So we're going to start off with half an ounce of egg whites. And there is another alternative you can use instead of egg white, some sort with an A. You can Google it. 3/4 an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. So I did it already just because I didn't want to show all that to you because you've seen lemon being squeezed before, right? Next, we're going to use 2 ounces of bourbon. And today I'm using the Jefferson's Tropical Aged in Humidity. It's a really good bourbon. Jefferson makes really good bourbons. I like their Ocean Aged a lot. It's one of my favorite bourbons. And this Tropical is pretty good also. But here we go. We're going to go 2 ounces. And then we're going to go with half an ounce of simple syrup. Whenever I go to bartender school, I learn how to use this and without doing the little count thing. But anyway, so we're going to dry shake it, right? We don't want to put ice in it yet. We're going to dry shake it because this is going to make it foam, right? We're going to dry shake it for about 30 seconds. I'm not really keeping a count, and we're splashing a little bit. Next, we want to add some ice. Now we want to give it another shake. For about 15 seconds. All right, now we want to double strain it. Into a glass of ice. Cheers. I like it a lot. That lemon comes through like, and this is a smooth, pretty smooth bourbon. So it's not a strong drink. I'm making these again. At least if I get drunk. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, cheers.